So for paper 2 question 7, right, you're asked to find, basically you're given that PA and B are independent. So that this is PA times PB lah. And then you're asked to find, okay, wait. Now they ask you to show that A prime intersect B prime is actually just independent, but A and C is mutually exclusive. You're also given that. Okay, great. Now, I think this is okay lah. This one, the first one is just between A and B, so just let it be A and B lor. A prime intersect B prime. Start with that. A prime intersect B prime. Okay, we just draw the Venn diagram out. A prime intersect B prime need to show PA prime intersect B prime is equals to PA prime times PB prime. So I think that's okay. A prime intersect B prime is outside. So in other words, from left hand side, PA prime intersect B prime will just be 1 minus PA union B lah. So this will be 1 minus PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. Okay, so just use the union formula. Then you just sub it in. PA is A, PB is B, minus PA intersect B, A times B lah. That's what you do. So your whole goal here is to try and make it this one. So this here, just the one on the left, this just means 1 minus A and this is 1 minus B lah. If you can't see this, you just expand it. You can see that this is minus A minus B plus AB. So it's just this one there. See that? So it's just an expansion. Actually, I do not know whether you still remember secondary school factorization. You should. This would be 1 minus A, I believe. So you just factorize it out. So this is actually PA prime times PB prime shown. Okay, that's how you show. Okay, hence PA and B prime pendant defense. Okay, that's it. If for second part is okay, you're asked to show that part 2 find the expression PA. So since they are mutually exclusive, so it's not too bad. Mutually exclusive is just A and C. A prime intersect C, so it's just outside here. So this is just 1 minus A minus C lah. Okay, that's all. From the Venn diagram. So they are saying that draw and Venn diagram illustrate the case where A prime and C prime are also mutually exclusive. So A prime and C prime means A prime intersect C prime is 0. Okay, so in other words, 1 minus A minus C equals 0. A will be 1 minus C. So that's the case. A is 1 minus C. So the diagram should look like that. A is, or rather A plus C is 1. They are exhaustive events. A plus C is equals to 1. Okay, so what you do is you could just draw this out. I think this is the better way. A and C are exhaustive events. So this is C, outside is 0. This is A. Okay, just like that. A and C outside is 0. Then here is A and this is B. So outside is just 0. There's nothing there. The Venn diagram. I think that's the answer. Or you could also draw like that yeah, actually there are many. Just like that is fine. I think. Leave this question to the last. Don't go and get stuck and then waste time. Now, given that A prime and C prime are not mutually exclusive, just means that they are no longer exhaustive like that Okay. But they're still mutually exclusive in the sense A and C are still mutually exclusive. So what you do is you could actually technically draw these 3 circles here like that. Okay. So A and C is like like just what do you call it, apart from each other. Okay, then now you're given that PA is 2/5. I can just put in decimal, this is 0.4, right? Then you get PB intersect C as 1/5, which is actually just 0.2. So PB intersect C is here, this is 0.2. And then PA prime intersect, so outside is 0.1. Correct? So it just means PA union B union C is actually goes to 0.9. Actually, they are asking for the range of A intersect B. This is here. Those contain expression. So here, for example, if you're looking at this, right, this over here is actually contain. Oh, you can't see on the screen. So let me use this over here. As long as it's 90, your 0.9 will just contain inside here. Okay, so it doesn't really it's not really that important. So what we need now is actually finding, because since A and B are independent events, so we could actually technically there are many ways to label it, but I think the easiest way to label is put this as X and put this as Y. Okay, basically let P B intersect A prime intersect C prime be Y, and P B prime intersect C be X. Okay, so that's one. So that's one. Why? Because I know that the whole A here is actually just, the whole A is 0.4 Okay, the whole A is 0.4. So I know that actually I could find the middle portion here with using the formula. You can actually use the formula, this middle portion here. Okay, so it's 0.4. You know that you can find in terms of A actually. So okay, first we take the most obvious one. Okay, let me take a not so jarring color. This is 0.4 here. So what I'm going to do is actually, I know that 0.4 plus Y plus 0.2 plus C is equals to 0.9. That is a given. Must contain. So the whole thing inside here, 0.4 plus this whole thing here must be 0.9. So in other words, you have Y plus X equals to 0.9 minus 0.6. I guess that will amount to 0.3. This 0.3 here. First part. Now the second part is this. Because we need this, so we need to find the inequalities of this yellow region here. Okay, this region. So we need to find this inequality in terms of X and Y. Then we can crack the code. Okay. So first thing, you know that PA intersect B is what you want to find. It's actually PA times PB. Okay. So we just gonna try and solve it. So here would be PA intersect B will just be, A is what? A is 0.4. PB is just PB is just PA intersect B plus Y plus 0.2. That is PA intersect B. Oh, there you go. I got my answer already. So here, 0.4 PA intersect B plus 0.4 Y plus 0.2 times 0.4, 0.008. Okay, then A intersect B will just be 0.6. Four marks, this one. Because in inequalities, right, we managed to find PB in terms of Y. Now it's much easier. PA intersect B depends on Y. Okay, so when is PA intercept B maximum? When Y is what? How much can Y be from this first one? How much? Maximum of Y? Is what? Y plus 3 equals to 0.3. No, you must understand that this 0.3, right, can distribute among X and Y. So you can just free for all. This you can distribute it. So max of Y is how much? It's just 0.3. Mean of Y is just 0. So now you tell me PA intersect B maximum will be 2/3 times 0.3 plus 15 over 2. Minimum of PA intersect B will just be 2/3 0 plus 15 over 2 lah. So key this in. So maximum will be, minimum will be 1/3 lah. Okay?